Hey guys, welcome back. This is Aishwarya from Digital to Design. In this video, we're going to learn about keyword stuffing and why we should avoid it on our web pages. If we optimize the right keywords on our website, it can lead to excellent search engine results and rankings. However, using the same keywords repeatedly is known as keyword stuffing. Your content should not give readers the impression of keyword stuffing. If you repeat keywords excessively, it's considered a black hat SEO technique. This might provide a quick ranking boost, but over time it can lead to penalties from search engines. As a result, your web page's index page might be removed from search results. This could prevent your website's pages from appearing in search engines at all. So, ensure your web pages maintain a proper keyword density. As mentioned earlier, feeding excessive keywords into your pages will lower their rankings in search engines. From a search engine's perspective, pages with high keyword density are considered spam. For instance, if a 100-word article contains 10 to 15 keywords, it will be flagged as spam. This increases your domain's spam score, making future content harder to rank. Even if such content ranks, it's unlikely to reach the first page of search results. So, always check the keyword density of your web pages carefully. Next, let's discuss the best practices for good keyword density. First, write from your audience's perspective. Second, avoid forcing keywords into your content, keep the language natural. Third, place keywords strategically, such as in calls to action. Fourth, completely avoid keyword stuffing. Fifth, focus on quality content. This is a key factor for SEO rankings. If you need any clarifications or doubts, mention them in comments, and I will answer you as soon as possible. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital to Design. I will see you all in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye guys.